Good morning, everyone. Today I am here to teach you what is a compound word. Today's topic is what is a compound word. There are so many words in English language, we may not actually recognize them as being compound words. We read, we speak, so many compound words we use in our daily life, but we don't recognize whether they are compound words or normal words. Now let us see how compound words are formed and how many types of compound words are there in English language we are going to see today. Now let us see the definition of compound word. A compound word is two or more individual words used together to create a new word with its own individual meaning. Compound word is two or more individual words used together. There will be some words, individual words joined together to form a new word. One word, it becomes one single word. Two words are there, and when we add them, they become one word. And they have individual meaning. They have special meaning when they are joined. Now let us see how they are. Now here is a word example, foot. Now that is a part of our body, foot. And ball. Ball is also, we know, that is one thing. Foot is, it is a body part, and ball is an object. These two words joined and became a new word, football. So the ball which is used to play with our leg, we kick the ball with our leg, that is called football. So like that here, it has a separate meaning, individual meaning. These two words have different meaning individually, but when they join together, it has a unique, special meaning, individual meaning it has. Like that, and here we see fire and fighter. Fire is one thing and fighter is another person. And the person who fights with the fire is a firefighter. We join them. There is no space between these two words, fire and fighter. They join together. And like that, here compound words are formed. Now let us see another example, notebook. There is one book. In that book, if you write something, if you use that book for writing, we call it as a notebook, and it is a compound word. These three are compound words. These are individual words. Here, foot and ball. We join these two words to form a new word. This is compound word. These are individual words. Now, fire, fighter joined together and made a new word, that is a compound word. Notebook. These two new words, two words joined together and made a new word, that is a notebook. And we see different types of compound words. In English language we find, as we communicate, as we read books, we find them. Closed compound words. Closed compound words are the words which are joined together, two individual words joined together, and here we make a closed compound word. And we join when we join here, this word and this word is closed. There is no space between them, and such kind of words are called closed compound words. And another example, armchair. Arm is one thing, so our arms, and chair is another object, and this is our body part, and this is an object. These two words joined together and formed a new word, that is a compound word, armchair. That is special chair which we sit on that and we keep our hands on that chair. We rest our hands on that chair. For that we use, for that object we use armchair. So this is a new word we formed. So these words are not having any space between them. So such kind of words are called closed compound words. Next, open compound words. These words, example, full moon. Full is one word and moon is another word. They have individual meaning, but when they join together here, they have an individual meaning. Full moon is that here, the moon, complete moon, full moon. And here these words here, after joining also there is some space between these two words. This compound word has some space, and here also, here individual words are there, and we made with these two individual words one new word, a compound word. That compound word has some space after joining them also. Such kind of words are called open compound words. And full moon. However, we join these two words, still there is a space between them, and also it has an individual meaning, a new meaning it has. Therefore, such kind of words are called open compound words. And next, living plus room is equal to living room, and here also space is there. There are some English words which are like this, they will have space between them. Such kind of compound words are called open compound words. So some words always they have space between them. We don't use as combined words, and we have to know what they are. Next one we will see hyphenated compound words. The example, long term. Long is one word and term is another word. We joined these two and we made and one word as a long term. There is an hyphen, small line, and we use this as a compound word. And if any word is having an hyphen, that is called hyphenated compound word. Hyphenated compound words, long term. And also one more example we will see here. Mother plus in plus law. Three words joined together to form a new word with an hyphen. These are called hyphenated. Mother, in, law, hyphenated compound words. This is the brief explanation about compound words.